Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna review some products that I have recently bought from Temu. To start with, I have ordered a scrub for myself. It cost me roughly £11. Now I have the similar product I bought a year ago in color of navy blue and it cost me £8, so I thought I should try another one. It's also slightly bigger in size. Although it has multiple pockets, but considering the price and the quality, I'm not very happy with the product. But I think I will manage anyway. The next product is toothbrush holder. It cost me £2 only, but it's very lightweight and it was cracked in the top border, so I decided to return it. But obviously Temu didn't took it back, just issued the money back. Next one is a Pinterest-worthy fork for my daughter's lunch bag. She's going to start school soon. They are quite good and cute. The next is a pair of hair clip. Well, they are stylish. They didn't cost me much, roughly £1 or 1 point something, and I'll definitely recommend this. Now, for last 1 year, my daughter has been crazy about Demon Hunter, and she follows everything about Rumi. She knows every single character. She has the dress, hair, and recently she wished to have K-pop lunchbox. Now, this one price was £6.7. The other one with the mini, I bought it from Ditchman, which cost me £8. I just wanted to compare. I think quality is okay for the K-pop one, but the price could have been slightly less. Next comes Huntrix water bottle. It cost me £5. Now, considering the price, I expected a slightly better quality. But again, I understand the trend is making it slightly higher price, so no hard feeling. The last one is just the comb of Huntrix, and I think it's okay with the price and you can have it if you want. These organizers I bought to organize my daughter's dresses. I didn't realize the pockets would be that small. It's suitable for the socks and vest, but not for the dress or the pajama. But anyway, these are all from my latest Temu purchase. Some are good, some are bad. Let me know what do you guys think. I will tag the link in the description box. Have a look and thanks for watching.